Hey guys, welcome to this video about how to get started in the right way in Bitclub network, and I'm going to show you a small demonstration or tutorial, a sort of training about what are the 3 steps that you need to take in order to get started in the right way in Bitclub network. So I'm assuming that you have already watched my presentation video where I explain about what Bitclub network is, how to make bitcoins from how to earn bitcoins from Bitclub network, and whether it is a scam or a legitimate opportunity. So I have shared a review video about it. So if you have not watched, I will be giving the link in the description below. So I highly suggest you watch that first before you continue. So if you already know about Bitclub network and want to get started, get back to the person who showed you this video or who showed you this opportunity and sign up with his link. You need to have a sponsor ID. So you will be given a link, and you need to create an account first in the Bitclub network. So if someone else has introduced you, get back to that person, get his referral link and create an account. If it is me, then there will be a link below in this video. There will be my referral link and you can get started by clicking that link. So step 1 is to create your account. It's very simple. This will be the link, and once you click on this link, a sponsor will be automatically picked up as Cryptonaire1, which is my ID, Deepak Bangar. Then you just enter your these details which are displayed on this here. For I'm doing this test account for demonstration purpose, so I'll just this is my email ID. Now guys, since I already have an account with this email ID, and in Bitclub network you can have one account with one email ID. So you can have as many as accounts as you want, but one email ID, one account. But there is a trick to bypass that, and you can have multiple accounts with the same email ID. And I highly recommend to have more than one positions in your tree, because from a business building perspective and even from an investing perspective, when you have multiple accounts, you will be getting different earnings from your own purchases and repurchases. So basically it's like you are buying the packages at a discounted price because you are getting paid on your own commissions. So I will make a separate video about it and give the link in the description. But for this purpose, there is the trick which I was referring to, is to have more than one account with the same email ID, is to just enter this regular email ID which you used, and just enter the plus sign and just enter anything, like I'm using test1 as the username. So what will happen is you will still get the email ID, all the registration things on this email ID, and basically Gmail will recognize this as a separate email. Then enter your username. I'm going to use this username and password, and click on the create account button. So once you do that, it will ask for this message will come, email verification required. So it's very important that you click on this blue button of send verification code. Unless you do that, the system will not automatically trigger the email. So please ensure that you click on this button so that the verification code will go to the email. And just waiting for the email to arrive. Yeah, as you can see here, so I have received an email about the verification code. Just copy that code and enter here and click on the verify email button. That's all. Your email is verified. This message will come, and now you are ready to go ahead with the activation of your account. So just I'll show you for the demonstration purposes. So I'm logged into my account, and So step one is complete, create your account. Step two is to activate your account or upgrade the account with the $99 membership. Without paying this lifetime $99 membership, you will not be able to uh, proceed further or buy the mining pools. So click on this upgrade account button here, and click on this upgrade me button. This invoice will be generated. Please remember that the system accepts only Bitcoin Cash as of February 2018 onwards. So because it requires, it's faster, it's cheaper as it requires less transaction fees, and it is very fast basically. So you can have Bitcoin Cash. Please remember that please do not send bitcoins to this address which is displayed here. This is a Bitcoin Cash address. So do not send Bitcoins. Please send the Bitcoin Cash, and exact amount of Bitcoin Cash has to be sent. This is very, very important. If you send more or if you send less, this will not work. And yeah, and basically this invoice is valid only for 10 minutes. So you need to send the Bitcoin Cash within this time. I would suggest immediately. And once you do that, once you send the bitcoins, then a message will appear here. Since it's a test account, I'm not going to do that. So a message will appear here automatically within 10 minutes. Payment received, it will be there in the green color. And once that happens, then your payment is successful. And once it completes the 6 transactions on the blockchain network, once it confirms, then you will be able to see that in your back office, as then you will be able to buy the pools options, mining pools options. So if you have Bitcoin Cash, well and good. If you don't have, then there are ways to get it. First thing is you can get it from the exchanges like Poloniex, Bitrex, or Binance. There will be an option of conversion of your bitcoins to Bitcoin Cash. Now, if you are from India, or you can just have your local exchanges like ZPay or your country exchanges which support Bitcoin Cash, and you can get Bitcoin Cash. For example, let's take an example of India. So, India, ZPay, Unocoin, and Coinex, they support the buying of Bitcoin Cash directly with the help of local currency rupees. So this might be true in your country as well. So just the thing is, you need to get the Bitcoin Cash basically. And if at all you're not able to go through this and get the Bitcoin Cash, then Bitclub has given you an option of converting your bitcoins into Bitcoin Cash, and I'm going to explain, or I'm going to show that how to do that. So I need to log into my account. Just give me a second. So once I'm logged in, you can see the option of my wallets, then Bitcoin wallet and Bitcoin Cash wallet. So once I click on the Bitcoin wallet, this option will be there of deposit. So click on the deposit button, and then this will be your Bitcoin address where you can deposit your Bitcoins directly, and this will get credited into your Bitclub account. And once you do this, then you can convert these bitcoins into Bitcoin Cash internally. Go to the My Wallets and click on the conversion tool, and then you can convert your bitcoins. For example, just enter your, let's say, 0.1 Bitcoin here, 1 Bitcoin, and then it will automatically convert. Just click on this yes button and convert my tokens. So it will automatically convert your bitcoins to Bitcoin Cash. Now, when you are not yet upgraded the membership, then you will not be like, you won't have this option basically. So you might not have. I mean, they are upgrading the system, so you might not have this option. So what you can do is you just contact your sponsor, and your sponsor, he will have his Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash address, like I showed you just now. So he will have his address, and then you can send the bitcoins to his address, and then he can use pay it forward option in this system to activate your account. So all you need to just give him a username and send the exact number of bitcoins, and then your sponsor will activate your account. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is my Bitcoin Cash, and as you can see here, first I need to get the Bitcoin Cash by converting inside, and then use the pay it forward option. Click on there and just enter the username, for example, and then select the product. As you can see here, you can upgrade the $99 membership, or you can buy any mining pool or any product basically with the help of this. So click on the submit. So once you do that, it's an instant process. The pay it forward is an instant process. Normally, the if you just go with the system of the company of the depositing online and generating the fresh invoice, then ideally it should confirm instantly, but sometimes it happens that it takes time. Maybe it may take a few days, maybe 2 to 3 days, or maybe 4 days. So I highly suggest you go with the pay it forward option, where you contact your sponsor, you pay him the bitcoin or bitcoin cash, and then your sponsor does the conversion and activates your account. So that is the best way, because it works instantly and like without any issues. So that is how you get your membership. Now next step is to get the mining pool. So once you upgrade your membership, you can see in your account, in my account section here, as you can see here, I purchased on let's say 12th, sorry, 9th of December. It's showing as confirmed. Till the transactions, 6 transactions get completed, it will show as pending. And once it happens, when 6 confirmations happen on the network, it will show as confirmed. But don't worry about the confirmations will happen eventually. And even if you just have the pending confirmation status, this orange that icon appearing is against your order number, then you can safely go ahead and buy your mining pool, which is the step number like 2 after buying the membership fee. So click on this welcome button, and again click on the mining pool. There are two options, Bitcoin mining and the GPU mining pools. Bitcoin mining pools are available for $500 pool 1, $1,000 pool 2, and $2,000 pool 3. And there is a best package, founders package, which is of $3,500, which I personally purchase and highly suggest. If your budget allows, if your finances permit, I can assure you that you won't regret by buying this package, because it maximizes your income potential in the compensation plan as well as your mining earnings. Because this is the pool which is the lowest value, and it earns also low. 1000 pool is better uh, than $500 pool, and $2000 pool is better than $1000 pool. So the higher basically the amount you buy, your mining returns will effect eventually. And not only that, you also get the special bonuses and offers for founding members, this founder pool of $3,500. So right now they're launching a CoinPay platform. It's a revolutionary platform which has got the potential to become the next Visa or MasterCard of cryptocurrency. And they are basically giving 1000 shares of CoinPay for free for all the founder members as of the date I am making video. So the shares itself, they are very valuable, because you can earn lifetime dividends from these shares, and even you can sell these shares if you wish to in future. So that's about the founders. So just select your package. You can even go for the GPU mining pools of $1,000 and $5,000 pool. In this, you will be able to mine Ethereum Classic, Zcash, or Monero. In $1,000, any one coin can be mined. In $5,000, which is a GPU founder pool, you can mine all the coins which are mentioned here, like Ethereum Classic, Zcash, and Monero. And even Bitcoin Gold is coming soon. Now, each of these packages valid for 1000 days, as I stated before. And yeah, just click on the buy now button. I'm going to show example of founder pool. So it will show the how much Bitcoin Cash you need for getting this option. And again, the same process is same. Invoice will be there, and you need to pay this invoice with the exact number of Bitcoin Cash to this Bitcoin Cash address. Very, very important. And you have to wait for, do not refresh this page, just wait for the message of payment received to be appearing on the screen. Once it gets the first confirmation, the payment received message will appear. But as of now, since they are upgrading the database, I would suggest go through the pay it forward. Contact your sponsor and just send this Bitcoin Cash to your sponsor's Bitcoin Cash address so that he can activate your account uh, manually, and it will be an instant process. So that is how you complete your mining package purchase. And once you do that, just click on the mining earnings, this button, and then this mining share will appear here, and it will show the uh, number of days which are there. So right now, once you do the fresh purchase, it will have 1030 days. It takes 30 days for your machines to buy and ship and set up, install in the Iceland facility, and then after 30 days your mining starts. So basically you have 1030 days of contract. So that will be shown here, and also your order will be shown again in my account section and my orders. There you will be able to see your order for this founders pool, for example. So that is how you complete your purchase. So step one is to create your account. Step two is to buy your membership fee of $99. It's a lifetime, no other charges apart from this, and your mining package, your mining pool purchase. Step three is to connect with your sponsor. This is very, very important, guys. I can't stress the importance of this enough. Uh, Person who has introduced you Bitclub network, get back to them. If it is me, send me a message on Facebook or WhatsApp. I have given all the details, or even you can shoot an email to me, and then we will have a one-to-one strategy session. If at all you have any queries, if you need any help, if you are if you are thinking of, though referring is not mandatory, I must say, referring is completely optional part, referring people, but it's highly suggested. It is fastest way of earning Bitcoins. So if you are looking for building a team, or if you have some concerns, or if you like to know more about the strategies about from an investment perspective or a team building perspective, then we will have a one-to-one strategy session, and basically we will sort out a game plan for you and how you can make the most of this opportunity. So that is how we will connect. And also don't forget to become part of our Facebook group, where I share all the strategies and our team training. Basically we do have our weekly webinars, hangouts, so you can get to know about other people. It's a nice community basically. So I highly suggest to you to become part of our Facebook group, to know more and to get started. So that's all for this video. If you I have other videos also regarding Bitclub network, so I highly suggest you watch them. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you find this useful. Step one is to create your account. Step two is to buy your mining package and the membership and the mining package. And step three is to connect with your sponsor and have a one-to-one strategy session with them. Thanks a lot. You have a great day. Bye bye.